Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the newest WhatsApp feature that makes it easier than ever to sort and find your shared media by date right from your PC. If you've ever wanted to go back and find photos, videos, or documents from a specific time, this update will save you a ton of scrolling and searching. Let's jump right into it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and connected to your account, whether through the desktop app or the web version. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left side menu. You'll notice a small media icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your direct shortcut to everything you and your contacts have shared, all neatly organized in one place. Next, under the media section, you'll see options to browse through different types of files: photos, videos, and documents. Choose media to focus on images and videos. This section displays every shared file, but the new update adds something special: the ability to sort by time period. To do that, look at the top of the window. You'll see a sort icon. It usually looks like two lines with arrows. Click on it to open sorting options. This is where the magic happens. You can now choose the period you want to view, whether it's media shared this week, last month, or even from a specific year. WhatsApp will quickly filter all content from that time range. This feature is especially useful when you're searching for old memories, tracking project files, or simply organizing your shared content. No more endless scrolling or trying to guess the date. Just pick the time frame and view exactly what you need. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you can easily find all your shared media by date on WhatsApp for PC. It's quick, efficient, and a game changer for keeping your digital life organized. Thanks for watching.